Have you ever noticed subtle changes in your hearing, perhaps missing a word here and there, or finding yourself turning up the volume more often? It is easy to dismiss these things, but understanding what is going on with your hearing is a powerful first step towards maintaining your overall well-being. A hearing test is much more than just a simple check. It precisely diagnoses the presence, type, degree, and configuration of any hearing loss you might have. It provides a comprehensive picture of your auditory system, guiding professionals to the most effective solutions tailored specifically for you. The core of a hearing test involves a series of measurements designed to identify where in your auditory pathway a problem might be occurring. For instance, air conduction testing assesses the entire hearing system, from your outer ear to your brain, while bone conduction testing bypasses the outer and middle ear to measure the inner ear's function directly. By comparing these two measurements, an audiologist can determine if the hearing loss is conductive, caused by issues in the outer or middle ear, or sensorineural, originating in the inner ear or auditory nerve, or a combination of both, which we call mixed hearing loss. Other tests, like tympanometry, evaluate the movement of your eardrum and middle ear pressure, which can indicate fluid buildup or other blockages. Armed with this detailed diagnosis, you gain clarity and a path forward. The results help your hearing professional recommend specific interventions, such as hearing aids customized for your particular type and degree of loss, or suggest medical treatment if an underlying health condition is found. It takes the guesswork out of addressing your hearing concerns and replaces it with data-driven strategies. An audiogram is the visual map of your hearing, plotted after these tests. It shows your hearing thresholds at different frequencies, indicating not just how loud sounds need to be for you to hear them, but also which pitches you struggle with most. This detailed information allows for fine-tuning hearing devices to match your unique hearing profile, ensuring you hear all the speech sounds, from soft consonants to higher-pitched sounds, with greater clarity. Understanding these specific details about your hearing loss is key to finding the right support. Ultimately, a hearing test empowers you with knowledge about one of your most vital senses. It allows you to move beyond simply noticing changes, enabling you to understand the exact nature of any hearing challenges and take proactive steps to address them. This leads to better communication, richer connections, and an improved quality of life.